Hi my friends, it's Sharon, and as you know, I'm all about helping you transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world with humour and heart. Today, the neuromind shift that I'd like to talk to you about is the thymus tap. The thymus is just about mid-sternum, and when we have stress, it actually shrinks. And the thymus, when we tap it, will actually engage it again. And by engaging it, we help to enliven ourselves, to be more alert, more focused, to have more energy. And so to do this, what you do is take your finger, and you know where a man's thigh would lie, right in this notch here. And then take your fingers from the first finger at the notch, second, third, and pinky. And right about where my pinky is where the thymus is. And then simply what you do is tap in that spot. Now, as I said, to tap this spot helps to give us more vitality and energy. So remember, don't be doing this tapping as you go to bed, because you'll wake yourself up more than put yourself into a nice deep sleep. By tapping this, it also helps with your immune system. And the more you do it, the stronger it gets. And so remember to do the thymus tap whenever you feel perhaps a little bit sluggish, whenever you don't have clarity, if you're having foggy thinking, if you want to have better performance in a meeting or on a phone call, just start to tap that thymus and it'll bring that energy up. So until next time, remember the APB. Awareness, pause, and take a breath, then tap the thymus. And if you like this message, please share and care by hitting the share button below. And until next time, all the best and many blessings.